Hi guys, let's get right into this. The F02S has arrived, the Airwolf replica RC helicopter. Check this thing out, it's so cool. Look how smooth that is, very nice. It has GPS technology, so you can do the return to home if you get into trouble. It has a low battery return to home feature, and out of signal, or out of range, return to home. I'm going to show you here how to put the fins, the tail wing on rather. Just simply line it up and push it in and it'll stay in place. Same thing on the other side. This thing includes 4 batteries. You get an extra pair of main rotors. You get the tail rotor, a charging cable, screwdriver, Allen wrench, Airwolf stickers, and a transmitter in the helicopter itself. Very cool unit. It has CNC swash plate, all metal gear servos, dual brushless motors, one on the tail, one on the main rotor. You have telemetry on the remote. Okay, here we go. To test your battery, just short press the battery button and it'll show you how many bars it has. Make sure your batteries are fully charged for your first flight. Okay, just put the front of the battery down first with the contacts and then slide it in place, and then you have to squeeze in on the tabs and then push the tabs out to lock it. To turn on, long press the battery button until you start to hear beeps and it lights up. Then place it on a flat level surface facing away from you. Next, power on the remote control. Okay, it's going to take it a little while to acquire GPS satellites, so don't worry about that. Just give it a few to acquire satellites and you'll get a beep notification and you'll get a solid green light when it's ready in GPS mode. Here I'm showing you how to start the motors. You flip up the toggle switch there, the unlock toggle, and the up position, and then down and out on the joysticks. And down on the throttle to shut it off, or up to take off. So once you get past the half throttle, it's going to go ahead and take off. Just do note that it's best to take off of a very flat level surface and not to have tall grass, because if your helicopter tilts in any way, it could get into the tall grass and cause a problem. Just from experience, just giving you that warning. Alright, so this thing's very awesome. Once you do all that, you're ready to get up into the air for the first time. I'm going to show you some of the details here. You have the brushless tail motor, the white belly on this thing. There's a lot of LEDs, optical flow camera there, and it does have the LiDAR sensor as well. It does not have any cameras for viewing or taking pictures or video. Here we go. So you flip the unlock button up and then down and out to start the motors. This is the maiden flight. My first experience with this helicopter. See, a little bit rocky on the takeoff there. My landing pad's a little bit at a V shape because of the tall grass. So I don't recommend taking off in tall grass. Man, this thing is such a good flying machine. Do not forget to calibrate the compass. You just slide the joystick, the left joystick down and to the left, and the right joystick up and to the right corner, and that'll put you in the compass calibration. Just hold that for a couple seconds and your light will go into like a fast yellow flash. Then you do your horizontal counterclockwise. You go to a green flash, then you go vertical counterclockwise until you get a beep, and then you've successfully calibrated the compass. So make sure you do that before your first flight, and also when you first start up, it does the automatic gyro calibration, so make sure it's on a flat level surface for that initial setup. Or afterward, you can also do a gyro calibration. It's the opposite of the compass calibration, so it's down and to the right with the right joystick, and up and to the left. And then you'll do a compass or a gyro calibration. All right, you guys enjoy this flight video. I'm going to take a break for a minute here, and I'll come back later in the video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you supporting my channel. If you're interested in this helicopter, I'll have a link in the comments pinned, and then also in the description. There also will be tagged products, auto tagged. Do note that I am affiliated with all of these links, so we will get a commission for that. It'll go towards our next video. Thank you guys so much for all that you do, and we appreciate you very much. Enjoy the rest of the video. Well guys, there you have it. This thing flies super. I have no complaints. Later on we'll test out all the GPS features when I have a bigger open space to fly in. I'll find that place real soon and we'll get them videos out right away. I hope you found this video helpful and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching the RC Hobby Reviews. Bye.